Yeah, hajachukua ndio tusisahau. Sikuwa naibu roho kwa nini kwa simu tutapeleka hiyo
Dan kan kagiwi njuna SOE number 60 kuja
me honor.
I do not have the police side and also no witnesses in court today.
Yes, Mr. Boswell.
Your Honor, I can be able to arrange the witnesses, Your Honor.
washtaka wengine kwa hiki
Your Honor, we had agreed that Mr. Tum can go first and I will conclude. Yes,
consider it of that circumstance and the fact that no money, not a single coin was lost. That Nyandarua County
I'm present for the accused.
For the second accused. Thank you. I believe Mr. Onsomo could give a conclusion on the same.
Evidence adduced of any benefit, monetary or otherwise. The court is so inclined to provide an option of a fine that fine not be punitive. Your Honor, with that I conclude. Thank you.
Thank you.
Him, with regards to his him being in custody, I'd explained that his situation makes it completely impossible. But we can ensure that the fine is paid by close of business today. In the event that it's not, then, Your Honor, we can take directions. From the court, but I understand my client had paid a cash payment.
Can do a mission on Monday.
Yes, very well, Your Honor.
Most of them.
Report.
24th of March.
The ODPP and the defense counsels and the charges that the accused persons are facing before court. From the submissions, it's admitted that there was no evidence of loss of public funds and or personal gain from the funds to the project. The two accused persons clearly failed to follow the laid-down procedure in pursuance of satisfying the needs of the to adjust for that. The mistake committed denied other will-be contractors in seeking to provide the same services that were offered by Mr. Herman Consulting Engineering. I've also heard the mitigation by counsel for the first accused and second accused. Their past records in public service and the current state of their lives, including the medical condition of accused one who has not been attending court. I find that a fine will be reasonable in the circumstances of this case. Hence, The first accused is fined Kenyan shillings 500,000 for counts 1 and 4, and in default he will serve 2 years imprisonment. The sentence will run concurrently. For accused number 2, she also pay a fine of Kenyan shillings 500,000 for each county, that is count 2 and 3. In default, she will serve 2 years imprisonment. The sentence will also run concurrently. You have a right of appeal within 14 days.
We are most obliged, Your Honor.
Most obliged.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
My name is Grace Omweri. I'm the Deputy Regional Manager for the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Central Regional Office, based in Nyeri. Among the counties we cover is Nyandarua County, and that's why we are here for the sentencing of the former Nyandarua Governor Waithaka and the former CEC for Water, Grace Gitonga. Where the case, we started handling it in 2018, where we got a report of some irregular payments to an Israeli consultancy firm called Tahal, where they were to do some water and sewerage project, and the money they were paid in excess of 50 million was irregularly paid to them. So the case went through the court, the hearing was done, and the accused persons were convicted on 13th of March last week. And the sentencing was today. They have been sentenced. Each one was convicted of 2 counts. The former governor, the count of willful failure to follow the law relating to procurement and abuse of office. Those are the 2 counts. And for each count, he's been fined 500,000 Kenya shillings or 2 years jail in default of the sentence, which term is to go concurrently for the 2 counts. For Madam Grace Gitonga, the same fine of 500,000 Kenya shillings or 2 years in default, and the sentence also to run concurrently. So for each of them, the total fine is $1 million for each of the 2 counts that they have been convicted. So we'll be having a mention on Monday to confirm whether they have paid the fine or they'll be conducted to jail to serve the sentence in default.
How do you think the sentence?
The court has the discretion to make the court is the one that considered the evidence and came up with that. So for us, we accept this ruling of the court.